YouTube. I was about to say Musicaly. Because I just saw one of my Musicalys in my camera roll. So, the reason why Jennifer, I haven't been active because on this YouTube page, because me and Amari especially, we don't know about Naomi because she moved schools. Me and Amari, we've been having like a hard time in school. Like, not a hard time, like we don't learn and stuff, but it's just like we get too much paper. Like, we get too much work, and like after that we get homework and stuff, and then we have to read. And then when Amari has Dream Academy, I don't anymore, and Amari might quit. I don't know. And we haven't been active last week because we have park, or me and Amari have park. So what I'm speaking for me and Amari. No offense, Naomi, if you see this. I'm just saying because I don't know what's going on at your school, but we're all on the same YouTube channel. We're all friends. Me and Amari, we had park last week, and then we have to get ready for the math park. It's a state test. We had reading for 2 weeks, like 2 days a week. Sorry, I'm looking somewhere else. So yeah, Monday and Thursday for 2 weeks. Now we're having math, and it's all this week since it's Sunday. And Happy Mother's Day. Happy Mother's Day to all the wonderful, beautiful mothers in the world. Yeah. So our math is Monday, Tuesday, Thursday, and Friday. We only have Wednesday off. And that will be me and Amari, at least me and Amari. I think Naomi is because it's a state test. We will all be active again because we just really need time off because we have park. That's why. And it's a very long test. Like, it's so long. Like, 1 hour and 30 minutes. Are you kidding me? For 11 questions. Or 9. 1 hour and 30 minutes. You have to read like 3 passages. Then you have to do an essay. Then you have to answer questions to the passages. But yeah, it's okay. But I'm just saying that we will be active after the week passes by because we have park tomorrow. And then we have park on Tuesday. Then we have park on Thursday. Then we have park on Friday. Or it's the other way around. Or it's just the first 4 days of the week. Or like the first 4 days of the school week, I think. But I think it's Monday, Tuesday, Thursday, Friday. Because that's what one of the teachers told us. So I'm not sure if it's true. But I think it is. So yeah, thank you guys for watching this video. Please like, comment, and subscribe to the 3 Silly Sisters. Sorry this was a short video. I again told you. This is a quick announcement because all I wanted to say. And yeah, I guess. This is, guys. Oh. So follow our social medias. They're down below. And we love you guys so much. And thank you guys for, I don't know how many followers or subscribers, but thank you guys. Deuces.